Welcome here, traders. So, without wasting time, just going straight into it. And today's trade ideas and signal is not going to be that much complex in the sense that, okay, we've studied all these levels yesterday. We did study them. And at the same time, I gave this trade yesterday, and we are still within the level. But there is something I really want to point out to us from what the market is doing currently. And don't forget, we have a buy from within this level into the highs. Don't forget that. And and we have this entry. We have one entry from this level that hit TP yesterday. We hit TP from this level yesterday, and this particular. So we have double hits of TP yesterday. But there is something I noticed on 15 minutes coming from the consolidation that we've been having from this particular levels here. If you notice within this level here, you will see the fact that okay, we have a nice reversal pattern from this level, and it gives us a shift on 15 minutes, and this shift is something that we can really bank on and enter from this particular level here. But what do we see? We see price action going above it and trade above it. Then this particular leg here is supposed to give us a buy. Then that's an indication that we've entered consolidation. But the next day, something happened from within this level, a very nice reversal pattern also, which is turtle soup above this level, then give us a shift, which give us an MSS, and this level is supposed to be tapped, and it wasn't tapped. So the first indication that we see here is the MSS leg wasn't tapped for this particular leg to be valid. Okay, so now we have this leg here, and what do we see from this particular leg? This is a very nice buy for us again from this particular something. But there is something that occur in my mind now, which is the fact that okay, the first indication of what I'm trying to show you is if our nice what is it called? If the turtle soup, I mean the MSS, which is the mitigation block that we are expecting from this level to be tapped, if it wasn't tapped, then whatever other block or whatever something follows through, then automatically will be an error. You understand what I'm talking about now in a moment. We have this MSS, I mean, this, yes, is an MSS in the market, which is market structure shift, but give us mitigation block. And the mitigation block wasn't properly mitigated. So, but it give us a nice something, then we see price reversing back into the highs, reversing back into the highs. Then once we see price reversing back into the highs, it refuses to do what? To kind of respect this mitigation block that we have here, and it transcend above it, which is a signal, another signal for the fact that okay, we are trying to long. And trying to long from this particular leg here into the high, we notice and observe that okay, price failed and the low was taken out. The low of that level was taken out. The same thing, the exact same thing happened from this particular level. And as you can see, this is a nice buy for us, and it give us a very good reaction from the level here. But what did it do? It failed. That's failure number one. And I spotted another level that give us a very nice buy. I can look at this level also. We have a proper something here. This level, take the liquidity or the liquidity above this high, and it give us a very, very nice something from within this level here. A very nice reaction from this level, which we are expecting, price to kind of like looking for my second phone. So the same thing happened from this particular level here. We can see a very nice something from this leg, and this is a nice buy for us. If we look at it through, then we see the only thing that saved me from this level is the fact that I'm anticipating and expecting price to close below this level. So I wasn't even engaged. But this particular one, I was engaged because I was expecting any of this low to be closed below, and it was closed below on lower time frame, which is 50 minutes, but we did have something. So there is no something. So from here, we did not have such something. So automatically, Even the mitigation block we are supposed to take to send price lower was transcended almost immediately. So that one being said, but we are safe in the sense that what I'm trying to indicate from here is the mitigation block wasn't properly, I mean, it was not properly mitigated. Then another thing that I really want me to come to that conclusion is the fact that okay, we have this level as well, a very nice sell in the market, and this particular leg is supposed to sell. Then we did not have a proper mitigation of this block here. Price did come back, and we have this level being transcended into the eyes. We did try to take trade from this particular leg here. It's another block until it was yesterday that we reclaimed the other block to kind of sell from the level. So that being said, but this is a new pattern that we are spotting in the market with what Euro USD is doing currently to generate a very nice buy setup or nice sell setup on lower time frame of 50 minutes, then it will just take out all the levels and go the opposite way. So we'll be on the lookout for such pattern moving forward. So without wasting time or without wasting any further time, we're just going to try and see what we can capitalize on today. We've analyzed all these levels yesterday. We've analyzed all these levels yesterday. So there is nothing much we have. And this strong glow that I talked about and which we are expecting to be taken as the strong glow has been what has been taken out, then automatically we know that price. The only thing we are expecting now is price to close below this low. Whenever make price close below this low, then we'll be entering this fully. And looking at this block here, you can see the fact that okay, price is coming down and we have this level. And personally, this our set I've put it exactly on this level. So it's giving us 2.85 in the market. So whichever something. If this level is being taken out, then automatically we know that we have we are banking this one. Then what happened here yesterday was we would have actually used this reclaim order block alone to sell, but with we can see the evidence of why we did use the whole block, because let's assume we use only this reclaim order block, would have been close to our take profit. But the fact that we use this whole range give us some kind of security in the market because of what is happening on weekly. We check weekly very well, and daily we still go to daily. What we are anticipating from this particular level is price to close below this low. And whenever make price to close below this low, then automatically we'll be looking for sell from this particular leg here. And if we check daily, we will see what price is doing currently. So we'll be anticipating whatever price is willing to do from this level. You can see that yesterday did not close below this low, and we are still trying to react from this internal structure that we have here on daily. So whatever happens from here will be the determinant of what we're going to continue to do in the market. So we have um we have this level, we have this level in the market that we are looking forward to. But nonetheless, there is something I want to point out again. Okay, is this particular level here? On it will be very, very clear on, as you can see, wherever make us to transcend, then automatically here give us a shift. And that means whenever if we close below this low, then automatically this whole range become our selling point. Then we can land a position trading from that particular leg. And just on lower time frame, just continue to flow with the trade and only be looking for sell in the market. So that will be the determinant of whether we're just going to continue to sell. And don't forget anything can happen in the market. And that's the reason why you have to use a proper risk management and flow with markets in a proper way, turn your trading to numbers game and probability game so that at least at the end of the day, you will end up with profits. The goal is not to make every trader a win, but at the same time to follow through to follow a set of processes that will make you profitable in the long run, and we will get there. We will get there. So the way we have um the way we have losses in a row, which is I've forgotten how they used to call it, but the same way the time is coming that we're going to have profits in a row. So, and it's going to be some let's call it let's call it the end of the analysis, and this is the only level I'm willing to sell from, even though I'm looking closely to this level. But for the fact that we did not tap this level is an indication that we might still react back into this level. So where anything can happen from this level we are in, but the determinant of whatever is going to happen moving forward is this leg here, this particular something. So we can be reclaiming this level when price close below this level. So another range has been established, which happens to be this one. So we'll be anticipating a closure below this low for us to be able to bank and follow through on the market. So if this level is not properly mitigated before this level was close below, then automatically we're going to be following. We're going to be following from here. So we're going to have another set provided this level was close below. And coming coming week, today is Friday, coming week, wherever make price to close below this strong low here, then automatically this level is going to become our reclaim level that we'll be trying to sell from weekly. So that will be all, at least for now. God help us and give us profitable day. Thank you very much. Have a lovely and a profitable day. Thank you.